folks, it's Chet from Tag Along with Chet again. And I guess you can see the windsock out there. It's blowing pretty well down the runway from the northwest. So plane hasn't been up for a few weeks, so I thought it was time to take her up for another jaunt. And I think I'm going to have to go to Claresholm. I was going there last time to pick up some oil because I still have I still require that break-in oil for the for that cylinder that that I had changed some months ago. So, and of course, flying has been kind of marginal these days. Can't go anywhere because nothing's open. But it's getting better, so hopefully at some point we'll be able to go to some form of normality. Okay, so let's get this show on the road here. Do a little bit of run up. So seat belts are on, secure. Tracks are in the tracks. Okay, so it'll be straight of departure on 3-4. Avionics is set, 122.8, elevator trim. Neutral rudder trim is set. Flaps don't require them. Fuel pump will be coming. Fuel selectors on the fullest, left tank, right tank. Right tank. Transponder to come, parking brake, pitot, mixture doors. Okay. Vulcan traffic is Cherokee, Charlie, November. We're taxiing from the ramp and we'll be utilizing runway 34. We'll advise taking position. Vulcan traffic is Charlie, November. Clear from the right and clear from the left. Cleared from the right. Vulcan traffic, Charlie, November, taxiing position, runway 34, Vulcan. Vulcan traffic, Charlie, November, departing runway 34, Vulcan. Vulcan traffic, Charlie, November, airborne on 34. Passing through 4,000 feet, we're in the left turn and we'll be direct to Claresholm. Vulcan traffic, it's Charlie, November. Nothing serious. Seems as we get higher, it gets somewhat smoother. Traffic, Charlie, November, 3 miles south of Vulcan. Climbing to 5,700, and we'll be cruising at 6,500, but just through 5,700 this time. Vulcan traffic, it's Charlie, November. Well, folks, you've done this trip with me many times, so nothing really different other than the clouds have changed. That's good. The number 1 cylinder, they even in the climb at max power, I was getting under 400, so that's good. I guess I can level off here. Yeah, before it used to peak out at over 400, and I understood when it was just breaking in that it's still a little tight, but it seems to be getting back to what it should be. Yeah, where we are right now, it's 23 degrees. We're just about 4 nautical miles to the northeast of the field. We're just gradually descending through 6,400 for an overhead arrival clear zone.
Charlie, November from Romeo Victor Foxtrot, thanks. We'll plan to arrive after you.
I'm sorry, I missed that. I was doing something here. Go ahead again.
Charlie, November from Romeo Victor Foxtrot, copy, you're about 4 miles out, and we'll plan to arrive after you.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, thanks. We'll keep you advised. And clear zone traffic, Charlie, November's overhead the field. We'll be joining for a left downwind runway 03, clear zone. Clear zone traffic, Charlie, November to status on the left downwind runway 03, clear zone. Charlie, November, turning final, runway 03, full stop, clear zone.
Minimums. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
And clear zone traffic, Charlie, November's clear, runway 03, clear zone for the ramp. Here we are. In clear zone. Again. This time we took the whole, taxied all the way down the runway as we got that other guy behind us out here, so I thought I'd just keep on trucking. So we'll see if maintenance is in. If maintenance is in, maybe we get some oil. See what's happening out here. The truck's here and the car's here.
Well, thanks for coming along again, folks. That nice little quick flight from Vulcan to Claire's home. And if you're enjoying my videos, just click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell and you'll be notified as soon as we load another one. Thanks for coming along. Bye for now.